Your past struggles is no longer define you. So everything you have been through, the betrayals, the heartbreaks, the missed opportunities are the part of yesterday, like the Israelites trapped by the Red Sea. You may feel cornered. You are feeling stuck, hopeless, stagnant. But God says, enough, your story is not over. Your life is about to change in Jesus' name. So think about every time you have seen others succeed while you were still waiting, every time you were overlooked at work, in relationship, even in spirituality. God is saying those days are over.